It was a frightening evening for parents as they waited for the arrival of their children to come home from a local school district that didn't call for an early dismissal yesterday. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Yuki Washington.
And I'm Jessica Cartalia. Thanks to the havoc yesterday's storm left on traffic, some parents tell Eyewitness News their children didn't get home for hours after they left school. Our Chantee Lans has more now from Springford in Montgomery County after talking with school officials and parents today. Chantee?
Well, Jessica and Yuki, some parents say the superintendent made the right call. Others say that there should have been early dismissal or school canceled altogether.
We were kind of like sliding down, and I didn't feel it at first, but then I felt it a little bit.
11th grader Janessa Vargas and her sister Alexandria Cruz were among hundreds of Springford area school district students stranded, heading home during yesterday's snowstorm.
Scary. This girl was crying and stuff on the bus. Got several text messages from my daughter. I kept in contact with her.
Dangerous road conditions were seen throughout Montgomery County. What normally takes about 15 minutes took the teens 2 hours to get home by bus.
I kind of, cried a little. Elementary kids on the bus that late. It was just pretty sad. I just think it could have been dealt with better.
Julia Betancourt wanted to see her daughter's school canceled or have early dismissal.
I think he should have followed the rest of the schools. I mean, you have how many other schools? 9 schools out of 10 going home early, and we're the only school district that are still in session. Come on. That's 90% of 100.
The school superintendent released a statement reading in part, "I understand that people are upset that I did not do an early dismissal, but my reasoning, I believe, was sound. Safety. On a side note, I know that many schools did an early dismissal, but they were dismissing in the middle of a lot of snowfall, and as a result, they had problems as well." And the superintendent also said that it was a very tough decision, but he ultimately went by local weather forecasts. I also want to mention that schools were canceled for today. That's the very latest reporting live in Montgomery County. Chantee Lans, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
Chantee, thank you. And at Liberty Middle School in West Orange, New Jersey, at least 100 students were stranded overnight due to impassable roads. They spent the night in the auditorium, sleeping on gym mats. Teachers tried to make things a little easier by turning on the movie Frozen for the children.
Appropriate.